Hello, join me again on another episode on Friends Car Repair Corner. So we're continuing on today with the Mondeo. I have this morning already been out and sorted the tyres. So the tyres are now done. I have removed the underglow from my car. One being because there were a number of cables that were hanging down and I just didn't want it to fail the MOT because of that. So it was easy enough to glue it all up and put it in there. So I can always put it back. But yeah, for now, for the MOT, just because I saw some stuff online as well, you know what, I just thought, let's just get rid of it just so that I can get this car for the MOT. I don't want to have a failure, then go back, do all of the work, and then go back for it. So again, right, enough waffle. So what else have I got to do with the car? So far, the EGR is holding up. So if you've watched my previous video, you'll see I did like a little fix. I was worried when I went to bed that night. I was like, is that just going to get sucked up into my intake and then engine's going to blow and I'm screwed? But no, I have driven around, I've done the tires and stuff like that. I've checked it today and there's no oil coming from that EGR bit, so I think I'm lucky there, but that can't be a full fix. I need to get that O-ring. So I need to get O-ring, I need to go for a good drive, clear out the DPF. And yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is going up to my parents' house, just in case my headlights do fail. My dad has a Mondeo, I can just swap them over and then get through the MOT. So I've got to travel up to Peterborough now. So yeah, that's the plan. So main focus is getting this car MOT'd. I'll do it all in this video. So yeah, I'm going to be traveling up to Peterborough. So it's going to be basically over the next 2 days, all in this video. So let's get to it. Right, okay, so I'm now at my parents'. I'm going for a little walk because my legs were hurting after the 2.5 hour drive. I was getting cramp in my left foot from the clutch. Maybe I'm getting old, I need an automatic, I don't know. Yeah, going for a little walk around the lake by my parents' house. Yeah, it's really nice, lovely sort of scenic area. I thought I'd just have a quick walk around here, get a bit of exercise and then crack on. Okay, so it is MOT morning. I'm at my parents' and I thought I'd quickly show you this before the MOT. Yeah, me when I was in the Navy. So yeah, 9 AM MOT time. Wish me luck. She's here. Wish me luck. This is one of the things I hate every year, sort of the waiting game of the MOT, you know, wondering if you've done everything, what could it potentially fail on? You just don't want it to fail. And that's what I'm really hoping. Fingers crossed it just does not fail. It'd be nice to have a clean sheet, go through straight away. But we'll have to wait and see. I am next, just currently waiting to go in. Oh, so nervous, so nervous. Anyways, car has passed its MOT. It did fail initially on the front headlights, but yeah, once I was able to sort that out, the side lights and stuff, because they were flickering, that was just due to the transistor that wasn't connected for those ring lights. So got all of that sorted, and yeah, now all sorted and done. Yeah, that's the MOT done. But while I'm up here, I do want to do the fuel filter. So even though I am going to sell the car, I just want to sell the car with, you know, peace of mind that it's in good health. So yeah, 12-month MOT. I have even bought oil and a service thing, so I'm going to do that when I'm then at home, but I've already done a video on that, so you don't need to see that. So yeah, just going to do the fuel filter up here. I'll try and get it recorded while I'm here, but I haven't got all my stands and mounts and stuff like that, so yeah, bear with. But yeah, good news, car passed MOT. Right, okay, so doing the fuel filter on the Mondeo. So far I have got duck the car up, got a little tub so that I can then tip the oil into it. I have undone the fuel filter plug. That was a 18mm for the plug. Then it was a 32 to go onto the actual fuel housing to undo it. So I've undone it now. The old filter is out and the new one's now in. Now I'm just doing the O-ring for the actual holder to then put that on. Then we need to bleed the fuel. Okay, so now doing the bleeding. So as you can see, all these air bubbles, we need this to be clear. No bubbles. Right, okay, moment of truth then. Does she start? Whee! Right, okay, so it is another day. I am now home, and the drive back was so much nicer than the drive up. Even though I was stuck in a bit of traffic in 50-mile-per-hour zones, car was feeling so much better. That'll probably be because of the fuel filter that we did, and I've put the correct O-ring in there as well. So now she just needs a service, good clean inside and out, and then she can go on the market and we can sell her. So that's where we'll wrap this video up, and the next one will be on the Mercedes, because yeah, I need to get that MOT'd. So join me on the next one. Bye.